So, what are you fellas doing August 14th, huh?
A festa del baño de las mujeres.
Gotcha. What about you, Cade? What are you doing? You, want to go Canoe Village Creek with us? Huh?
More classy.
Touche. What about you, buddy? You want to go canoeing?
A festa del baño de las mujeres.
Well, this is going to be one crazy ride. Canoe trip, August 14th, Village Creek. Be there, stay classy, love you.
Hi.
Hello.
Going to our prom. We're just gonna dance.
Yeah.
We're going
Well,
canoeing on August
14th.
Yes.
We
and
have a
we're
late
gonna,
prom.
Yes, exactly.
Very late prom.
It's kind of late or early, whatever
how
you want
did
to
y'all
look at
meet?
it. Well, actually, last year at the canoeing event,
Yes.
from First Tuesday, it's just so great,
It was
you know,
awesome.
yeah,
Best time of my life.
yeah, and we got to paddle the canoes in the river, and
Looking forward to the next one.
yes, definitely. Hi, so we would like for all of y'all to join us on August 14th for the canoe trip, and it's going to cost $20 a person, and we're going to meet at 9 a.m., and we'd like for y'all to bring a lunch, and also, if you could, try and be here next month for First Tuesday, because we're going to try and save a freshwater well. It's an endangered species, and they were found laid up on the beach in Galveston, so we're just going to work on that and pour into those wells. Pour into those wells? What does that mean? I'm like, okay. Oh, Hunter, are you getting frustrated? Can you cut all that out and just take the first part? Or do I have to start all the way over? Just
Stay
go
classy First Tuesday. We'll see you soon.
Good. Did the wink?
Do that.
Okay. Okay. You want to start? Go now.
Yeah.
And now we have Walter with an additional announcement.
Necesitamos hacer algo con el baño de las mujeres. Todavía apesta mucho.
Stay classy First Tuesday.
You'll see me. I'm going to run and jump.
Yeah.
First Tuesday. I love you.